We are here at the Bank here in Sacramento, California. This is a actual old historic bank that was converted into a restaurant and bar. And they got an elevator here, which sadly has been modded, but oh, I thought it was gonna be cool. This is a generic elevator. That is interesting though. Oh, look at that. Custom. That fucking card reader. We got our friends at Capital that modded this. Ooh, we're traction. Places. That is interesting. I've never seen that before. That's tiny. Oh, it stays lit. It's bright as fuck. I wonder if this is on the original controller then. That's nice. Oh my god, this thing was old. All the door equipment's been replaced with our friend GL. Look at that door frame. Oh, fuck, this was a manual. Oh, look at that. Dude. The latch would have been here. Damn. So this was already modded though. This was way modded before, because that exterior door track is new too. 2,500 pound capacity, that's it? For a place like this, I was expecting like a grand wooden cab or some shit. Not some basic. Very bumpy.